everybody, and Happy New Year. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video of DIY investing. Today's going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm not going to actually go into any analysis or talk about crypto a whole lot. I just wanted to give you guys an update with some things that I'm actually working on and some things that I will be finishing at the end of tonight. As you guys know, I'm doing a pre-sale on my course in Signals. Now, I haven't really talked a whole lot about it, but I've been running the pre-sale since the 1st of December. And it actually ends at New Year's. So I wanted to make sure that you guys know all of the information that I'm dealing with my course, so that you guys that have been interested, that have been emailing me, messaging me on Discord, commenting in the description of the videos, all of these things, I've had a ton of positive interaction from my course, and you guys have been really asking me a lot to do with what the course covers and how they can actually get access to that. So today's video, I'm going to keep things really short and simple. And I'm just going to talk about the basics of this course so that you guys know exactly what to look for. Because the pre-sale of the course ends at midnight tonight, so that you guys are going to want to jump in on that. And I'm actually going to scale that out to 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time tomorrow, January 1st, so that you guys that are on different time zones can actually get access to that. I know that sometimes because I'm from America, I only think that people that watch me are from America as well, but that's actually not the case. And so I'm going to extend it until noon tomorrow, my time, Mountain Standard Time, so that you guys know then you can get access to that. Now, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the support. The new year is a very great time for cryptocurrency reversals, and I'm so looking forward to seeing what's going to happen for 2020. We've been through the hammer when it comes to bleeding markets since 2018, and so you guys that have been here since 2017, maybe even 2016, and have seen only major losses taking place over the last couple years, just know that 2020 is going to be an insanely profitable time, and I want to have all of you guys a part of the exclusive DIY community so that I can help mentor you guys even further, so that we're all on the same page making insane life-changing money together. Now, to talk about this, I wanted to tell you guys about what the course includes. So if you guys may be new getting into crypto, or even some of you guys that have been around a while want to learn my personal trading plans and want to actually learn the exact same strategies that I use to profit inside of cryptocurrency. So this is the DIY investing trading course. This is what everything is going to come with. Understanding candlesticks, support and resistance, trend lines, indicators, chart patterns, understanding Fibonacci, emotional psychology of the market, market cycles, understanding fractals, my top resources for investing, my top rules for investing, understanding how to store cryptocurrency, understanding risk management and trading plans, understanding compounding and averaging down, how to set a stop loss, understanding volume profile, understanding price action, how to spot reversals, understanding time frames, and how to find entries. These are going to be all of the things covered in the course, so there's going to be 20 videos. Now, I'm also doing an early adopters list, so that if you get on in the early adopter while part of the pre-sale, then I'm actually going to include extra videos for the course itself, but it's only going to be accessible for the early adopters. Now, remember guys, until 12 o'clock Mountain Standard Time tomorrow, the course is going to be 50% off, so that's going to be $500 for the course and $500 for the signals. Now, those combined comes out to $1,000, but if you pay in cryptocurrency, I will give you an additional 20% discount on top of that. So it would only be $400 for the course and $400 for the signals, or $800 for both of those combined. You guys aren't going to want to miss out on this. A lot of my most profitable trades are going to be taking place right now because I am a long-term trend trader. You guys are going to want to check out all of the same investments that I'm taking over the next year or two, so that you guys are all on the same page with what I'm doing here at DIY Investing. On top of that, if you're a new guy just looking to get into trading, that course is going to be a very great go-to. I've spent thousands of dollars on mentors, as well as paid thousands of dollars for courses to educate me the same stuff that I'm going to teach you guys for a lot less of a price, so that you guys are really going to want to check that out today. Don't miss out on the New Year's sale. On top of that, if you want any more information regarding the course, you can click the invitation link in the description of this video, and there you're going to get access to my Discord server. Currently over 1,400 members and growing very rapidly. Very soon I'm going to cut off the invitations to this server because there's just simply going to be too many people to deal with. So make sure that you guys get access to all of this stuff today. Remember, you have a little over 12 hours left to get all access to the exclusive DIY content along with the signals. So make sure that you guys get a hold of me either through email, either through Discord, or leave a comment in the description of this video and I will get back to you. With all that being said, guys, thank you so much for the support. 2020 is going to be an excellent year, and I'm so thankful to have you guys a part of the team. With all that being said, I will catch you guys in the next video. As always, peace out.